raising this question: who needs algebra? Political scientist Andrew Hacker wrote The Math Myth and Other STEM Delusions. He says one of the biggest stumbling blocks for high school students is 9th grade algebra. Hacker says at most only 5% of jobs use algebra and other advanced math courses. He says a curriculum focused on statistics and basic numbers makes a little bit more sense. And so I have a little bit of trouble removing myself from this because we have one of those 5% jobs where we do use math and it was required to get more. But I also do think that when you're talking about this math, and it starts at the basic level, solving for X or Y, then it gets up into things like the quadratic equation. Even now, I don't think that I use any of those equations on a regular basis.
No, I mean, I don't either. I'm of two minds because I love math. I've always loved math. It's something through my whole life.
He's obnoxiously good at math.
When I have an opportunity to do math, like, I'm excited about it. However, I think this speaks to kind of the devaluing of a high school diploma. 50, 60 years ago, a high school diploma, that was your entry into the workforce. That's going to get you almost any job you want. Now, it's the college degree that does this. So I think if the larger idea is like, okay, let's just get kids through high school. If they want to go to college, great, but let's just get them done with those 12 years.
And that's part of the problem, Allie, when you're looking at some of these numbers that they have. They looked at New York City, so largest public school, more than 1 million students there. 52% were failing that kind of Algebra 1. And so that's the problem, is we're not getting kids through high school. They can't even get to that point because of these math classes that, realistically, if you're only looking for that high school diploma, you will not use that later.
Well, I think it speaks to the volume of just putting a value on a well-rounded, a liberal arts education. Even at the high school level, we've seen a lot of cuts. 80% of schools have seen cuts in linguistics and humanities. And there is some value with other subjects, whether it be music, whether it be even taking a foreign language when you're in high school, learning something different, because those also help develop different parts of the brain. And maybe a student excels better in something like art, or maybe they really like woodshop, and we're seeing a lot of those things just being taken away from kids.
It's an interesting approach to talk about this when, Jason, we talk all the time about how important STEM education is. It's huge.
You know what, this author basically is calling BS on the computer high-tech companies that are saying we're not graduating kids who are ready for these jobs. Where this author is making the case that that mythology has led to this idea that we're not teaching enough of these technical courses in computer programming and math. And he's saying, well, there are plenty of people with computer science degrees who are looking for jobs. So why is it that these high-tech companies are applying for all these visas for low-level technical workers to come over from other countries when you do have people with computer science degrees? So he's saying, like, there's this mythology that doesn't quite add up, and maybe we need to re-examine the fact that the kind of core curriculum requirements that we've set up maybe are a relic of a bygone era, and maybe there are mathematical concepts that we should be teaching young people, that maybe it's not Algebra 2. Maybe it's a different sort of math that people need to learn.
Something needs to change when 52% aren't passing.
Well, I will say the way they do algebra right now, I don't know how to solve those problems anymore. They do it differently than the way I learned it. I know how to solve it myself, but they're teaching differently now.
Yeah, it's very, very different. Education's kind of that hot topic that'll always be changing.
Well, you do use it, and
we do.
And we need it for the forecasting.